Let's look through this 96-97 Collector's Choice pack. We could pull the Kobe out of here. We got the Nuggets playbook. We got us the Knicks playbook with Patrick Ewing on the front. We got Alan Henderson Celtics playbook. Rick Fox. One-on-one, we got Kobe versus Sharif Abdur-Rahim. Holy camole, another great card right there. That's Kobe's rookie year. Anthony Peeler. Kenny Anderson. Loy Vaught. Koncak. You know what? This is proving really complicated, isn't it? Mashburn, Pippen, Baker. That's a cool card. Bo Outlaw. These are all stuck together. Oh, goodness. Minor, Koncak. We already looked at that. Let's just look at that Kobe card. Kobe versus Sharif. Very cool. Subscribe and like for more content just like this.